Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at fixing the Roblox not sending your verification code, and I'm going to take you through a few steps to actually fix it or override it. Now, if you are trying to sign in, you may have the opportunity to have to receive a code, and this may either be by email or by phone number, right? So what we're going to do is, you can see over here, this is generally what the email will look like, and the SMS will look much the same. So you get a code, and this is the code over here, and you're going to enter the code and you'll be able to log in. Now, the problem is sometimes it's not coming through and you're not able to log in. So what we want to do is, on that screen, you'll be able to navigate to log in another way. Okay, and what will happen is you will get basically to the opportunity where you can enter in your 10 secret phrases. And then also you will have the opportunity to use your authenticator app to log in. Okay, so these are the other options. Now, if you're struggling to get in altogether, then the next step is running over to your browser and going to help.roblox.com, and you will get onto this page. Now, what you're going to do here is you are going to scroll all the way down. You're going to look for Contact Us. Now, once you have gotten onto the Contact Us page, you'll see over here there is a support form. Now, you can read through this. It's highly advised that you read through this. And we're going to say support form. And this is where you will enter in all of your details. So you can sign in, and then you can enter in your username, first name, email address, and then the device that you're having the problem on, and then also the type of help category. So you're going to go ahead here and look for login issues. You can also use the account hacked or can't log in, and then they have a subcategory over here, and you can just say account PIN or two-step verification, and here you can just describe your issue so that the support team at Roblox have more detail, and then just tap on continue. This will get sent over to their support team and somebody will contact you shortly. So thereafter, I do suggest that you set up a second and even a third type of security level, so that when you are logging in, you have more options. So if there's any sort of error with the app, if there's any error with the network, whatever the case may be, you have another option to log in. Folks, if this was helpful, drop us a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.